Hi there! It has been almost a year and a half since I put this contact paper on my vanity, and I wanted to give you a little update on where we're at. I'm actually incredibly impressed. There has been zero cases of it having water damage and lifting, which I expected to honestly happen fairly immediately, and it hasn't done it at all. I wash my face in this. I've like shaved my legs in the sink a few times in here, and in turn the whole counter gets soaking wet. And I mean, we use this multiple times a day and it's never peeled, nothing. I wanted to show you a few close-ups. If you watched my tutorial on how I put it on, you may recall that I had a mistake here and had to put a piece down because I cut it too far. And honestly, it's exactly how it was the day I did it. There's no lifting, no weirdness. In the back where I had to put a little strip across, it's the exact same. Like you can see right here is the seam of that strip. Right here, this little square piece. It's not lifting, nothing. Honestly, let's see. So all of this, the only piece that has shown a little bit of lifting is this bottom corner right here. But that's it. And it's been almost a year and a half. 12 bucks. Well worth it. One thing that I mentioned but I didn't actually show is I put this in my kitchen as well. This was the year and a half ago when I posted the video. I did it the same day. I went a little bit crazy. So since then we updated our sink. I just was over it, updated the sink, so I cut a chunk and put a new piece. So there's this new seam right here from me replacing the sink. As far as any damage to this that's happened in the year and almost a half it's been here, some kind of cleaning product got on here and dyed this guy a dark purple. I had a crock pot on here, and you can see in the texture the feet of the crock pot I think got warm and did this like indentation here. And sometimes a red sauce will leave a tiny stain on there if you don't clean it immediately. But honestly, $12 make you holla. This is not too bad. This is a year and a half and there's no peeling, even with like around the sink. There's no peeling, nothing. It's I'm legitimately shocked that it's just still so clean and flat and true to what it looked like the day I did it. My bathroom vanity is a success, and kitchen I'd say is a success. Thanks guys.